Here's how I make homemade pastrami. I start by soaking a beef brisket in a bag with my corned beef brine. After about 5 to 7 days, I rub it all over with my homemade pastrami rub, put it on a wire rack on a pan, and put it back in the refrigerator for one more day. Leave it uncovered. Then get your grill lit. I like to smoke at about 250 to 275 degrees. Every 30 minutes or so, I spritz it with some apple cider vinegar. Once it reaches 160 to 170 degrees, I wrap it up, but first I spritz it again, and then I spread on some beef tallow. You can find that beef tallow recipe at GirlsCanGrill.com. I'm using butcher paper today, but you could also use aluminum foil. Either way, you just want to wrap it up tight when you do the Texas crutch. Place it back on the grill over that indirect heat and continue smoking it until the point reaches about 210 and the flat reaches about 205 degrees. Let it rest for about an hour in a cooler without ice, and then go ahead and give it a slice. Look at how beautiful the pink color is. That's from those pink curing salts in the brine. It's also super juicy. I like to slice the flat nice and thin so I can make Reuben sandwiches. And for the point meat, the fattier meat, it just shreds like butter. You can just pull it apart and pile it on sandwiches or eat it straight up like this. You can find the recipes for the brine, pastrami rub, tallow, and pastrami, plus a full tutorial with step-by-step pictures at GirlsCanGrill.com.